Today we have a great demonstration of tree felling. This is a seasoned professional, starting with precise undercuts and backcuts, demonstrating excellent chainsaw technique. Notice the controlled movements, minimizing the risk of kickback. Now, a powerful chop cut. Look at that smooth, controlled descent. That's a prime example of precision felling. The tree falls gracefully, demonstrating a perfect understanding of tree mechanics and leverage points. What a display of skill and strength. Today, we have a master arborist tackling a rather sizable pine. Look at the way he's already begun, systematically removing the branches with a precision that's simply breathtaking. That's a Still Mississippi 261 cm, a favorite among professionals for its power-to-weight ratio, perfect for this intricate work high in the canopy. Notice his technique, folks. He's using a climbing harness secured to the tree, and his movements are fluid, calculated. Every cut is deliberate, minimizing the risk of uncontrolled falls. Safety first, and he's clearly a pro. Now he's attaching a rigging strap, a clever move to control the descent of the larger branches once they're severed. This is where experience truly shines through. Wow, the chainsaw's really singing now as he takes down the main trunk. That's a lot of wood. The sound of the powerful engine coupled with the rhythmic whir of the chain is music to our ears. Or at least to the ears of anyone who appreciates the precision of arboriculture. With one final cut, it's coming down. What a masterclass in controlled felling. He is incredibly skilled. As the chainsaw roars to life, you can feel the tension in the air. The chainsaw, a powerful gas-powered model, hums loudly as it bites into the trunk. The controlled power of the machine in the hands of a seasoned professional. Notice how carefully the tree cutter moves. He's cutting strategically, focusing on the natural lean of the tree and calculating where the fall will land. The precision required is immense, especially with the house so close by. The chainsaw's engine revs louder, and with one final, expertly calculated cut, the tree begins to fall safely in the intended direction, avoiding any damage. A man skillfully maneuvers a Kubota mini excavator, a compact yet powerful machine equipped with a grab bucket. Notice the precision with which he's approaching each stump. He's not simply yanking them out, he's strategically working around the root systems, employing a combination of digging and pulling. This highlights the importance of understanding soil composition and root structure for successful removal. The grapple's powerful jaws grip the exposed root systems, tearing through earth with impressive force. Watch as the stubborn roots come loose from the earth. What we see here is the amazing feat of engineering, allowing humans to easily shape the land around them. We're witnessing a textbook example of stump removal. The operator's experience is evident in his smooth movements, demonstrating the balance between speed and precision. The result? A clean, efficient removal of these large tree stumps, leaving behind a canvas ready for the next phase of this project. The man making the final cut, his movements sharp and measured. He knows that even a small mistake can cost him dearly. With the final cut made, The tree begins to lean. With precise timing, the man stepped back, watching the tree slowly fall with careful calculation as it crashed into the tree next to it. Both brought down safely with perfect technique. Our lumberjack is tackling a hefty task today. Look at the power and precision he's employing with that chainsaw, a still. I'd wager, given the clean cuts, the sheer force required to fell a tree of this size. It's breathtaking, the sound of the saw biting into the wood, the spray of sawdust, it all adds to the raw intensity. This isn't just a job, a test of skill and stamina. As we watch this master tree sawyer at work, we are almost witnessing a performance. The precision with which he works is nothing short of mesmerizing. This is no ordinary task, he is working on a large tree. And with each calculated movement, we see the art and science of sawing come to life. He is using a chainsaw, the tool of choice for professionals, renowned for its perfect power-to-weight ratio. This chainsaw is more than just a tool, it is an extension of his own skill. Buzzing in the air as it effortlessly cuts through the branches. His technique is impeccable, secured by a tree-climbing harness. He navigates the canopy with fluid, confident movements. Each branch he cuts is a masterpiece of controlled pruning, designed to minimize risk and maintain the structural balance of the tree. The way he works is a testament to years of practice and a deep knowledge of the craft. We see a combination of foresight and technique. This is not just about cutting, it is about managing force. Guiding each section safely to the ground. The chainsaw roars furiously as the main trunk falls, the wood cracking as it gives way to the powerful, rhythmic pull of the engine. It is a spectacle of skill, safety and technique, a veritable masterclass in tree felling.
C'est droit, je faisais du coup. Vous pouvez pas mieux la mettre, quoi. Vous pouvez pas mieux la mettre. Je suis parti justement.
Today, we're witnessing a truly spectacular display of skill and power. Deep within the snowy heart of a northern forest, our lumberjack, a seasoned veteran by the look of him, is taking on a formidable opponent, a thick, moss-covered pine, stubbornly clinging to life amidst the winter chill. Note the meticulous preparation. Folks, he's not just hacking away, this is precision work. That initial cut, what we call a face cut, is absolutely crucial. See how he's aiming for a controlled fall. The angle is key, too shallow, and the tree might kick back with potentially devastating force. Too steep, and the tree's momentum could become unpredictable. This is a dance with nature. A delicate balancing act between raw power and calculated precision. The sound of the still chainsaw, a symphony of controlled chaos, underscores the intensity of the moment. The biting cold, the heavy snow, these are not ideal working conditions. But for our expert, they're just another challenge. Look at the efficiency of that blade. It's a testament to the craftsmanship and engineering behind modern chainsaw technology. Those carbide-tipped teeth, designed to slice through the densest wood with minimal resistance, are tearing through the frozen pine like butter. We're seeing a significant amount of sawdust being produced, a testament to the sheer density of the timber. This isn't just any tree, This is a challenge worthy of the finest lumberjacks. The snow, of course, adds a layer of complexity. The frozen ground is unforgiving, potentially leading to slippage and accidents. He's anticipating every nuance, using his weight and balance to keep his footing secure. Notice how he's working with the contours of the snow, minimizing disruption to ensure stability. This isn't just brute strength, it's a combination of physical prowess, years of experience, and an intuitive understanding of the forest's rhythms. Notice the clean cut, almost surgical in its precision. That's a testament to our lumberjack's skill, his tools, and his years of experience wrestling with these giants of the forest. A job well done, a stunning display of power and finesse, under conditions that would challenge even the most experienced professionals. Welcome, viewers, to a thrilling moment in the heart of the forest, where precision and power meet. Before us stands a towering evergreen. Reaching towards the sky, the lumberjack, a true expert in his craft, begins his task with unwavering focus. The roar of his chainsaw fills the air, cutting through the wood with a symphony of raw power. Each stroke is deliberate, shaping the tree's fate, as he carefully gauges its lean, a crucial step in ensuring the tree falls safely. Avoiding any obstacles in its path, with surgical precision, he carves a notch at the tree's base. The cut clean and controlled. Strategically placed wedges are driven into the incision, the force of each strike splitting the wood with a resounding crack. This is no mere display of brute strength. It's the culmination of years of skill. Understanding the grain, the tension, and the exact point where force must be applied. Now, with the tree's fate sealed, he positions a heavy jack. And with one final push, the giant begins to topple, falling gracefully in a controlled descent. The forest holds its breath as the mighty tree comes crashing down. A testament to the power of technique and strength.